Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I'm back with a Disney Princess lookbook. In previous videos I already made lookbooks for Ariel, Rapunzel, Pocahontas, and Mulan. And today, by popular request, it's Belle's turn. In this video, I'm using my Reroot Disney Store Belle doll that I rebodied with a pink top Made To Move Barbie body. The first outfit Belle will wear is her signature yellow dress. For this look, I separate the front hairline on both sides twist these sections away from the face and tie them together in the back. Then I take the ends of the ponytail and twist them into a little bun, giving her this really elegant half updo, similar to what Belle wears in the movie. If you want, you can curl Belle's hair for an extra glamorous look, but my Belle doll already has some curls in her hair. The second look I have for Belle is her blue dress. Belle's blue dress is actually my favorite dress for her. I take down the hairstyle she was wearing for the yellow dress and brush out the hair to make sure we have a nice clean canvas to work on. For this look, I like Belle to have some small strands left out of the ponytail for a messier, more playful look. So I separate some strands on both sides of the hairline that I won't incorporate in the hairstyle. Then I start twisting all the hair away from the face until my two twisted sections meet each other in the back. At that point, I take an elastic and create a low ponytail. To finish the style and make it look a lot more glamorous, I take a small strand of hair and wrap it around the elastic to hide it. And with that, my Village Belle look is done. For the third look, I'm using this blue dress that really reminds me of a mix between the blue dress, the ball gown dress, and the live action dress, because of the off-shoulder straps and the several layers in the skirt. For the hairstyle, once again I'm leaving out some front sections. This time, I'm taking the top front sections and twisting them away from the face, tying them into a ponytail in the back. When you made the first twisted section, you want to go down and do the same thing on a lower section. You want to keep taking similar sections, creating twists and tying them in the back. This will give you a really cool faux fishtail effect. To finish off the look completely, I loosely curl the strand that I'm draping over Belle's shoulder for that perfect, elegant look. And you're done! I really hope you liked this quick lookbook video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more of my doll restyles, follow me on Instagram as well, @thedollboy. See you next time!